Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Bagus Setiawan channel, which is a electronic and technology channel. Today, I will to share how to repair a Toshiba LED TV with the model number 32L2900VG. Now let's check the TV by turn on the TV first. The light off indicator turn on. Turn on the television by push the manual button of televisions, the power button, and in the LED screen showing that the picture there is a line vertical. This is the main problem of these televisions. So without further ado, let's try to fix these televisions. Now we can see inside of LED televisions consists of two ports. First is a power port and a main port become one part. There is a T-con port. So the first step that we should to do is we have to check the basic voltage in the T-con. Don't forget to choose the DC voltage. Put on the 200 DC voltage, the black wire to ground. Now let's start to turn on the television. So you can see in this point, it must be there is a 12 DC voltage. There is in a VGA point. In this point, it should be around 29 until 30 DC volt. The tool showings 29.6. It's mean normal. This point VGL it should be there is a minus 6 or 7. So it's normal. This point it should be around 7 until 8 DC voltage. It is not normal. VGL it should be minus. Yes, it is normal. VAA point it should be 17. Yes, it's normal. And then in this point SDA SCL, SGA, SCL, it should be 3.3. It's normal. And 3.32. So it's normal. After we check all the basic T-con voltage and they are normal, so the next step is cut one of the circuit, because this T-con have two circuit to produce a picture. to send the signal to the panel glass. First is right side, this. You can see that there is a text, GP key and the number. And then in the left side, this, you can see the sign or the mark. There is a CK and there is number too. So try to cut off one of the circuit. First try in the right side, like this. Cut using a cutter like this, and then you cut the circuit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circuit like this, a vertical. After that, you check and you turn on the television and see on the screen, on the LCD screens. When on the LCD screen still appear aligned, vertical lined, it means that the cut is not successful. So you have to resolder the circuit again. And then after you resolder the circuit again, you move to circuit in the left. And you do the same thing, same as in the right circuit. You using cutter like this, and then you cut the circuit horizontal like this. And I was cut the left circuit, and then I watch the results, but the LCD screen is still appear a vertical lines. That's why I resolder the left circuit, and then I move to a right circuit, and then I cut the right side, and then picture in the LCD screens normal. Okay, let's try to see the result. The LCD screens. Is it a normal or not? No, we can see that the LCD screens, there is no line vertical again. No, we can see, guys, that Toshiba LED televisions, it's normal again. There is no vertical lines like the first time we turned on. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Wish that this method can help you to how to repair Toshiba LED televisions. Have a nice day. See you later. Keep healthy and stay positive.